Alright, today I'm gonna demonstrate how you can make great PowerPoint presentation using Keynote application. This application costs in Finland €9, so it's a little expensive, but it's very good. So you press this and then create new dia. All these texts are in Finnish language, so not all of you may understand what they say, but you get the point. So let's choose black. So here we can add, if we press this, we can add pictures from our gallery. I choose this one. You can re-erase it like this. Or you can make it smaller. Very small. But let's put this on here. Then when you double tap the screen, you can start typing. So let's Keynote presentation like that. Then when you press this, well, if you haven't used PowerPoint before, this is very easy way to learn. Then when you press new, it gives you a new dia. You can choose what type: picture, text, only picture, little photo. Let's choose this. Then you just double tap again, type säilykepurkki. Tutorial. You can do that, or then just close the keyboard, double tap these little dots here. It gives, well, I'll show you. Keynote. When you change the row, it gives you another dot. And another dot. And another. You get the point. Yes. Then let's add another one. This big picture. Again, press the button here, so you can choose. Here comes all. If you have iPhoto or something, it gives you all the options. Then let's choose this one. Choose like this. Then you can just resize it like that. Well, it's ready. Then up in the upper right, you can find these buttons here. Here are all the photos you can add. Well, let me show you. Let's create new dia. Empty. Then just choose this, and here in the sub menu you can choose different bars. Let's choose this one, and it gives you this option. You can turn it around. You can do almost anything. Change data. Here it gives you the options to. You can change whatever you want. If you want to do something then just press ready, and it has updated. Yes, very simple. Now this one bar is very high and the other ones are not so. Alright, but let's continue. And there are some, I don't know the English word for these. But then we have this settings menu. So here you can choose how these, if you want to make some some change when you change the slide, you can, let's choose cube, so it goes like that. Here add something, let's take drop, and it comes like that. Here we can add mosaic, it goes like that. It's very easy to learn and very good program. Yeah, okay. And what else? Oh, and when you can add your own notes here. Video. Etc. Well, let's put this. Then you just press OK. Now when you're, let's turn the edit. Now when you connect your iPad into TV or computer or anything you want to connect this, or you can connect this, then you just press this button and it shows what comes here in the big screen. Very convenient. I haven't completely learned how those presentation holders notes work, but I'll let you know when I get that. So that's that. Very easy, very good. You can add so many different options you have to choose. And you can, it's better than Microsoft version of this. So that's that. Subscribe if you liked, or don't. Bye.